Hello and welcome. Today we've got this DCD805. It's not working. I'll stick a battery in to show you why or what's going on. Nothing going on. This switch is stuck in. I wanted to do a video on this because maybe this will be a common problem. I haven't seen many of these so far. I'll be popping my cherry as far as opening one of these today, so I want to explore it with you, my viewers. So here we go. We'll get the screws out first, and standard T10 as usual. DeWalt have gone down more the way of Milwaukee now. I've actually put in the 4 screws in the back, you know. And we'll start to get out the rest of them. We're forward to front here. I'm only slacking these a little bit to get the cover off. Might not need to take them all the way out. I'll try that. Like I say, this is the first one of these model I've ever opened in my life, so we'll discover what's inside together. From the outside, I'm not really very excited about how this looks, but you know, it might surprise me. You can see from the bottom this was manufactured in 2022 and has never been opened before due to the label being intact, but I've just cut it now. It will be out of warranty at this stage anyway, even if we did register it. It does bear a lot of resemblance to the older models. They've upgraded somewhat. They've quite a big LED here. It's a bit of a fancy LED they've got going on there. That switch just looks standard. That's a new type of switch they're using, but it's the same principle. Anyway, let's see, can we do anything with it? Oh, I think we fixed it. We've actually fixed it. Sorta. It came back out. I think it might be just off the slides or something. What do we see? What do we see what we're doing here? It's just come off the slides there. It come off the... There's a wee slider here. Let's see if we can get it up close. And it came off the slides and it's fixed. It's actually fixed. That's all there is to it. So we'll put it together now and see if it goes. I think it's sliding alright now. I might put a little bit of something there to help it slide. So obviously he's done something with it there to make it stick, you know. Yeah, it's alright. Right, so here we go. We're going to put a little bit of grease. A little bit of clean grease, not too much. That's keeping it sliding nicely. That wasn't what was wrong, but it's good to add that. It'll help it slide more easy and maybe stop being so aggressive with it. I'd have to reconnect this plug here because that's become disconnected. It probably controls the speed control and the it's probably not even the speed control, it's probably just the lights. There probably is no variable speed control in this down there, that's just lights. There's a lot of fancy lights in these 805, so yeah. Go DeWalt in your light show. We'll get in some screws just to hold it together first. These two screws help hold the body together. That's it. And then we'll get that clipped on there. Because that can spring out again, we'll just put the two in at the bottom to hold everything in place when I have it lined up. What's going on there? I'm putting in the wrong screw, I think it's a longer screw goes in there. That's what it is. That's it now. Good one. These two, we selected these two, if you remember, if you were paying attention. That's everything tightened up, everything back in place. The moment of truth, did we fix it or did we fail? Let's see. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.